Most of you knows my channel as a crypto channel, but in today's video we are going to be discussing something very different, and the reason is that it is applicable to anyone in the society. It is applicable to tourists, it is applicable to people who purchase things online, it is applicable to usually anybody. So if you fall under this category, then this video is for you. Or if you know somebody that falls under this category, then you can consider sharing this video so that it can reach out to them. We are talking about the Bybit MasterCard. The Bybit MasterCard is just like any MasterCard you have heard about, and if you have been using MasterCard, you know that you can use it to purchase things online. If you have moved out of your country before to another country, you discover that for you to operate in that country or to be able to do transactions in that country through a third party, and all of this stress, I'm going to reduce it for you by introducing you to this MasterCard, where you can use it anywhere in the world. And if you are in Nigeria, you would have discovered that some few years, I think 2 or 3 years back, the MasterCard was banned in our country and you could not purchase anything online, which means that if you want to purchase any goods outside of Nigeria, you cannot use your MasterCard. Some people came up with different techniques to be able to bypass that limitation, because it has actually affected a lot of traders. It actually affected a lot of business people, and then for you to be able to do that, some people came up with the ideas of using other apps. Some use Chopper, or was it Chopper or Cheaper? I think Chopper. Well, I don't know what they are chopping. Is that Chopper or Cheaper? I've really forgotten, but I think I actually had their own MasterCard. I created one that time. Although that has been lifted, you can actually use your Naira MasterCard now in some places, and some online transactions to pay some certain things like that, purchase subscriptions and some of those things. Now with the Bybit MasterCard, it is completely different from your bank's MasterCard. Why? If you have been using your bank MasterCard, sometimes you discover that at the end of the month you are going to be deducted charges. They will call it levy card or this, that. They will call it that services fee or this and that. Some of those things that they are actually using to rob millions upon millions from the poor people's pockets. Well, with the Bybit MasterCard, it is completely different, because it is completely free, and you can also, it is not just a virtual card. There are two types of cards. We have the virtual simply means that it is just an online. They will give you just details that you can just extract those details and use. And then you have the physical card. The physical card is the one that you can actually have it with you, so which means that you can also apply for this card and they will send it directly to your location, and you have it as a physical card, so you can use it in any ATM or any bank anywhere to withdraw your money. The Bybit MasterCard allows you to be able to use USDT, USDC, and to also withdraw BTC anywhere around the world. You can spend it, you can transact. And then you might be asking me, the token trackers, is it only USDT, USDC, or the BTC? The fiat currency is also very accepted, and the fiat currency is simply your local currency. Another interesting thing about the Bybit MasterCard is that for everything that you spend, you get 10%, guys. That is huge, that is massive, which means that if you spend $100, you're going to get $10 as a cashback payment. So that is how it is. If you spend $200, you're going to get back $20. So just like that. So Bybit just wants life to be easy for you. You spend, you are happy, and then they also pay you for probably, maybe in the long run they are going to change that. So all of these are packaged in the Bybit MasterCard. So I'm going to be guiding you through the step-by-step process on how you can apply, how you can go about it, and every single thing that you need to know in this particular video. So stay tuned and follow me gently so that you understand every single thing. But before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscription button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you can benefit from some of these updates that we do bring from our channel. So you might be asking me, how can you get this card? It's very simple. You have heard the name. It is a Bybit MasterCard, so which means that you need this exchange called the Bybit exchange. So the Bybit exchange is just a marketplace where people trade, buy cryptocurrencies to transact and do stuff like that. So that is what it is. Actually one of the top tier 1 exchanges. After the Binance, we know of the Bybit. You don't really need to be into cryptocurrency, but you can download the app. Just go to the Google Play Store and you're going to see it, Bybit. So once you download the app, the next thing is that you will need to create an account. You need an email. So once you create your account, you need to do what we call KYC. KYC simply means know your customer. It's a verification method where you need to do in the app to prove that you are a human being, and then that will enable you to be able to deposit, withdraw, and transact on that app called the Bybit exchange. So once you have done that, for you to do that KYC, you will need your driver's license or international passport, or you can, if you're from Nigeria, you can also use your NIN. If you are not in Nigeria, you can use your national ID card, driver's license, or international passport. So those are the documents. So once you have done that, let me come back to home here. If you come back to home here, come over to this section right here, click on that. You are going to see here that is verified. This is where you can do that verification and see. You see that is verified. I've already done that. So if you don't know that, if you don't know how to go about it, and you are interested, you want to know how to do it, you can leave a comment in the comment section of this video, and I'm going to do another separate video to guide you through that. So now once you have done that, you have verified your account. How to apply for the card? You have to come over to the asset section right here, card apply now. You see that? So just hit on that. So once you hit on that, it is going to come over to this page. So you can see it is just exactly like the normal MasterCard in your country. You have the card number, you have the expiring date, and you have the CVV right here. So that is that. So you can see that card benefits. What are the card benefits? You can see pay anytime, anywhere with your crypto or fiat. I've already told you this in my introduction. You say earn 2 to 10% cashback reward on your everyday spending, guys, which means that cashback is not a one-time thing. It is a continuous something. For every spendings you do in a day, you are going to get a cashback of 10%, which is actually good, especially if you are a business person. So as you are spending your money, you are also making profit out of it. So you can see go virtual, spend instantly. You can see earn up to 8% APR on your idle funds. So idle funds here simply means funds that you leave in your account and you are not doing anything. So you can be earning an extra 8% profit on it if you just leave there. You know, in our local banks in Nigeria, when you leave your money inside the bank, they will be charging you, monthly something. You just wake up one morning and you are seeing one stupid message. Oh, we have deducted 2,000 naira for you keeping money. Yeah, well, so you see that you are free from all of that. And then you can see here free card issuance, no annual fees, is completely free, guys. It's free. Say enjoy 100 USDT is free ATM withdrawal every month. So I've already told you about ATM withdrawals. Free worldwide delivery of your card. So it is free to deliver anywhere you order it. They are going to deliver it at your location. Scroll down and then come down to activate card. So click on that. So once you click on activate card, you are going to come over here, select your country. So you just go ahead, click on continue. So once you click on the continue right here, you just wait for it to load. Country of residence. So that's my country. Beautiful. And then you can see your identity is successfully verified. So this simply means that I've downloaded the app and I've done the KYC verification, which I told you that you need your national ID card, international passport, or whatever. So you need to do that. Say congratulations, you have been approved for this card, Visa Platinum Business Card. So you just come down, click on next right here. So once you click on next, you wait, and then they are going to bring you over to this page. Now you can see they are going to request you for your email right here. So I have my email right here. They want you to confirm. You can change it, so I'm not changing mine. They are going to request for a referral code right here. So I'm going to leave it in the comment section. You can just copy and come and paste right here. Come down here, click this. So I click on submit, and then boom, you are going to come over to this page where they are going to say your virtual card application is under review. So sometimes it might take a little bit of time, but it might still not take a time if you are a magician like me. So let me do African black magic for you. You can see the card is now successful. You can see that card application succeed. You enjoy your card. So I can just go to card dashboard. So click on card dashboard, and then it is going to bring you right here. So they are just going to rush you through this page, what it is all about, for you to understand what each section is all about. So I might not really have time to show you all of that, but you can take your time to study it so that you can understand all of that. So you can see you can top up this card. You can see top up right here. So I'm also going to make a separate video on how you can top it up, maybe in my next video. If you are interested, just leave it in the comment section on how to top your Bybit MasterCard, and I'm going to make a separate video for that. So that will be all for now, guys. Thank you so much. See you in my next video.